Loaferette, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing a slick back ponytail featuring To All My Black Girls clip-ins, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So if you'd like to see the hairstyle that I came up with, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Alright, let's get to the video. Alright y'all, these are the clip-ins from To All My Black Girls. Absolutely love these. I do have a video on my channel of me actually reviewing the clip-ins. You can check that out. I'll link it up at the top. But for now, we're just gonna section off our hair. I like to section it off into a couple sections so that it's easier for me to slick back my hair. I'm just gonna part the back in like little small sections to put the clip-ins in. As you can see here, these are the clip-ins. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back, and this is the direction that I'm gonna be clipping this one because again, my hair is gonna be going up in one. Just make sure that the clip-ins are not too tight. I cannot deal when clip-ins are tight, guys. I need to sleep. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair again. In the back, I did like 3 sections, so essentially 3 clip-ins, and then worked my way to the front. As you can see here, my hair is already really thick, and I was super happy about that. I'm gonna go ahead now and pull my hair back. I'm not gonna do it tight. I cannot stand when my hair is tight, guys. I also like to adjust my head from left to right just to make sure that it's not too tight. I'm going to be using this scrunchie to kind of make sure I can grab my hair. I also twist it up into 2 so that it's easier, so that I can pull my hair a little bit tighter. As you can see here, it's not tight at all, guys. You guys know I'm all about the slackness. Here's where I'm going to take another clip in and put it on top of the hair I would have pulled back, just to make sure I create that nice gradient. You don't want your hair flat, and then the hair in the back to be huge, right? Alright y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and spray the front of my hair with a spray bottle. This just allows my hair to be a little bit looser. I'm going to take the Eco-Styling gel and just put that all over my hair. I put it in sections so that it's easier to kind of slick back, and then I'm going to put it around my edges especially, and on top where I would have parted my hair. Now I'm going to use my hands and kind of smoothen it out because, you know, the less tugging and pulling on my hair the better, and just use a soft brush, well, at least for this part, and kind of smoothen it out and pull and try my best to pull my hair back in one. Guys, you guys know the struggle of pulling your hair back in one. So all of my hair that's left out, nothing to do with the clip-ins, I'm going to go ahead and twist those. I do apply some Eco-Styling gel, just a little bit, just to create that kind of definition that I need. Alright, I've already gone ahead and done the other side. And right here, I'm doing the same thing that I did on the other side, just applying that clip in first, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the front. I've also drenched the base of my hair in the front just so that it's easier for me to deal with. Alright y'all, so my hair has already been in a slick back, so it was easier for me to do it this time around. However, I am going to go ahead and put some more gel in that because, you know, we need the gel. I'm going to go ahead and pin that back and then add the gel. It's just easier if I can pin it down first before I pull it back. I'm going to split this up into 2 because we want to create that nice little swoop in the front. It wasn't really a swoop, but I tried my best. I'm going to brush out a little bit, nothing too much because I want the front to be smooth, and kind of just lay that flat right there. I'm going to be using a hairpin to kind of pin this down for now and then do the remainder. Here we're applying more gel. You know, gel is just the way to go. And then just brushing it in there just to make sure that it's as smooth as possible. I'm going to unpin my hair and then just try my best with all my might to slick back the hair. Now that the hair has been pulled back, I'm going to use this soft bristle brush and kind of slick it back some more. In order to make the top flatter, I'm just going to pin it down. And then reinforce the other side with some more gel. And again, we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing. All of my hair that's left out, I'm going to add some Eco-Styling gel and just twist that up in there so that we can get that much needed definition. Alright, for our edge control, we're going to be using the Arcani edge control. Guys, I live by this. I use it all the time. It is so freaking good. I'm gonna go ahead and create those swoops or those baby hairs. You guys know I'm not like an expert, but I'm getting there. But I just want a little bit, nothing too much, nothing to talk about. I'm gonna go ahead now, once I've finished the baby hairs, tie my hair down for about 30 minutes. Well, for about the time that I would have done my makeup. Here you have it, the final look. Absolutely love how this thing came out. Oh my god. Do you guys see the back? Do you guys see how thick the back is? I put some jewels in the back just to give it like that, you know, bohemian feel. You guys see the length of my hair? I don't have to worry about shrinkage. It's just great altogether. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Loaferette at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part.